Hey guys, this is Tim. I've had a few requests from individuals who would like to take a quick look at my studio, so I thought I'd do that today. So let's take a look at it. Okay, this is kind of an overhead view of the studio. We'll kind of walk around and look at the individual pieces of equipment that I have. It doesn't take much to set up your home recording studio. Everything that I have is not very costly, and everything will be in the description below that you can look at the individual equipment and the cost of each one. This is my keyboard made by Yamaha. It's a portable Grand DGX 230. I'm not sure if they even make these still. They may, but it's got a MIDI connection. I can hook it up to my computer and interface and use it for recording. I do have a couple of stools in here that will raise to different heights as well. I do have a piano stool that I can use with the keyboard. This is a Washburn X Series guitar. It actually belongs to my church. I bring it home to rehearse with and play each Sunday. This is my 4-string electric bass made by Corsair. This is my Donner electric guitar, kind of a Les Paul copy. This is my Ovation electric acoustic guitar. And then my Kentucky mandolin. I do have a double neck with a single E9 tuning pedal steel guitar that I use for enjoyment and play for recordings. It's made by BMI, Beck Musical Instruments. This particular pedal steel was built about 1981, 1984, according to the manufacturer, and the model has 3 pedals, 4 knee levers underneath. I have my volume control pedal underneath and a Peterson strobe tuner. Okay, the amplifier that I'm using has 4 channels. It's made by Acoustic AG60. I'm not sure that they sell this particular model any longer. I bought this several years ago, and it's really done a good job for me. I actually play all my guitars through it, play through some of the effects pedals into this guitar. I play my acoustic guitar, my steel guitar, using this particular amp. So it's been a good amp. It's kind of hard to find amplifiers with the 4 different inputs. This is my Yamaha APX 600 guitar. This has to be one of my favorite guitars, and you can see one of the reviews in one of my videos. But it's excellent electrical acoustic. It's very lightweight, just a few inches thick, and it's great for beginners or intermediate or advanced players. These are my effects pedals. I have the tuner, the Dumble Overdrive, the Boss DS1 distortion pedal, then the Cloudburst Steinman effects pedal, and then a Sonic Cake pedal that has reverb, delay, and so forth. So this is what I actually use in church using the Washburn guitar. Use this also with my pedal steel guitar as needed. I have the AT2035 Audio-Technica condenser mic and pop screen and sound isolation shield on a stand for recording. And this is my harmonizer by TC Helicon. It's a performance VG harmonizer. I connect it with my acoustic guitar and the microphone, and you can set various harmony levels with reverb and echo and your microphone settings to add various reverb and chorus as well. This is a great harmonizer to use, and I use it in conjunction with this TC Helicon Switch 3, so I can have 3 different presets on here and switch to various harmonies on and off. And to use as performance and through the harmonizer, I use this EV microphone, Cobalt CO9. Been a very good, reliable microphone. Okay, this is an overview look at my desk and control equipment for recording. I have an HP printer here. I have 2 Rockville speakers on each side. It comes with a stand. I have 2 CR3 speakers on each side of the computer. I have my MacBook Pro computer, and then I have 2 extended monitors as well. This one's made by Dell computer, and then I have this other Samsung screen up above, and I have the Samsung soundbar in the back here. I use a Scarlett Solo Focusrite for my interface for recording. It has 2 inputs, one for the microphone and then an instrument input. Digital clock, wireless mouse. Then I'm also using the DJI wireless microphone. I presently have that in. Here's my music stand. I have these LED lights in the corner of the studio. So my wife was gracious enough to allow me to consume up one of the bedrooms in the house that we recently had built. So I appreciate that very much. So welcome to Tim G. Edwards Music Studio. See you at the next video. God bless you.